Welcome back everyone. If you're joining us for the first time, I'm Hayley, this is Richard, and of course our adorable puppy Twiglet. Together we document our adventures aboard our wide beam boat. On our channel you'll discover everything from serene cruises to handy tips and detailed boat tours because, let's face it, we're obsessed with all things boat related. Thank you so much to Dale Jones for the super thanks. And thank you so much to Bill and Lucinda for buying us a coffee. These past few weeks have been a whirlwind of activity. We've been on a mission to find a budget-friendly solution for our skylight, and we're excited to share that we've done it, using blackout material that doubles as sun protection. In between boat projects, we've lent a hand to Courtney as she relocates closer to work and the beach. Talk about living the dream. Plus, we've been fortunate enough to explore some breathtaking boats and bring you along for the tours. And now, drumroll please, we're thrilled to announce that we will be attending a boat show this week. Stay tuned as we bring you along for all the excitement. Thanks for being part of our journey. So welcome to the RYA Dinghy and Watersports Show 2024 as it makes its grand return at Farnborough International Airport. We dive into a world of excitement with everything from dinghy sailing to windsurfing, wingsurfing, foiling and paddleboarding. Join us as we explore interactive water sports displays and demos, live coaching sessions and over 170 exhibits showcasing hundreds of boats and the top names in marine retail. Hello. We're back on the road again.
Oh no.
And we are at Farnborough International Airport for the RYA Dinghy and Watersports Show.
I'm glad you remembered all that.
I think that's what it is.
Something like that.
So because Richard's a member of the RYA, he got a free ticket and I got a reduced price, did I?
I don't know.
Well, I don't know.
I'll send you the bill.
Yeah. Anyway, of course, it's boaty stuff, so we're in it.
And there's food.
Yep.
I'm in.
We're going to have a mooch around. It seems this year winging is the new big thing. After Richard accidentally knocked over an oar, one of the lovely salespeople filled us in. Wing foiling, also known as wing surfing or winging, is an exhilarating water sport born from the fusion of kite surfing, windsurfing and surfing. In this dynamic activity, the rider stands on a board while gripping onto a wing. This innovative apparatus generates upward lift and sideways thrust, propelling the board swiftly across the water's surface. While stand-up paddling offers a serene way to explore the water and stay fit, battling strong winds can dampen the experience. But fear not, because winging introduces a whole new level of excitement. After all of that information, we were pretty hungry, so off we went in search of some lunch. Some chippies! Chip eating action. Off to explore once more, and we found the show offered various interactive experiences. Although not the type of boating we typically partake in, if you were looking for your next dinghy or water sports adventure, this had it all. There were so many ropes attached to some of these boats. This beauty will set you back just shy of £14,000. Richard is looking at a fleet of sailing boats right now. Buy one, get one free. Bog off sailboat. We've decided there's far too many ropes on some of these boats.
But we found our one.
Yeah.
Here.
That one looks simple.
Should be right there.
Well, we had a good wander around, and as we left we were lucky enough to be treated to a jet taking off. Reality is for us. Thanks for coming along. See you next time.